we have the brand new delivery from Crestron. In this box, I will show you what's in there, but also what I have ordered is a power lead PoE injector. So if you don't have a local network power, you can simply have local power and then connect this device over Wi-Fi. So let's open up what we have inside. So some useful information there with QR code on the lid. And here we go. Here we have the brand new UCP8. What is this then? This is the new Microsoft Teams certified Teams phone. So we have an 8-inch touchscreen, speakerphone, microphone, occupancy sensor down the bottom, our dedicated Teams button, headset button, volume control and mute. And then just around the back, we have a stand. So this is a fixed stand. What you can do is actually order a wall mount shaft. So if you want to put it on a wall and hang it up, you just remove this and use the wall mount bracket. On the back, we have a Kensington lock, so you can secure it. We have dual network ports, and then we have a port for the handset. Over here on the side, I have a USB-C port, so I can have that wired headsets, if you prefer that rather than Bluetooth. And that is it. That is the device. And what else have we got in the box? So the system is able to be ordered with or without a handset. So if you prefer to use it with your Bluetooth device or wired headset, there's no need to order a handset. So you could keep it nice and sleek like this. However, I think for an extra $10, you can have a handset and a curly cord. And that enables you to then have private conversations. We have a little Ethernet cable there too, and also a screen wipe to keep that touchscreen nice and clean. Now let's just go and give it some power. One network cable, and the dual port here on the back is gigabit. Daisy chain this through into your computer or laptop as well. It takes PoE or PoE plus, so it's utilising that standard. Also, you can obviously have the local power supply as well. I have to do this. I can't. A lot of the time I leave it on, but it's got to come off. So now it'll boot up, do its initial out-of-box boot up, and then boot into the Teams app. There's occupancy sensor here at the front that picks up around about 2 meters. When you walk up to your desk, come close to it, it'll wake the screen up. Bluetooth 5 on here, so you are pairing your headset. Go ahead and pick our time zone, London, there we go. Okay. The other feature available on here is that you can connect to the Crestron XIO cloud as well. You can control and manage all this. And recently announced, Microsoft will be enabling zero-touch admin. So once these devices are on a network, the full information hasn't been released yet, but once you know the MAC address, I guess, and serial number, you put that into your Teams admin center, I guess you'll be able to sign these in remotely. So you won't have to be physically in front of the device to sign it in. You'll be able to do that from a distance. I'm now going to sign in with my credentials. We'll just pause this. Now that's signing in. The keyboard's a great size on there, so you won't get any mistyped characters. Now it's obviously going to enroll and sign in with my correct details. I have got meetings and calls. Got it. And there we go. We're signed in, ready to make a call. So I can come and see what's coming on my calendar. You can see I've got a tap meeting this afternoon. You can see all your missed calls. I've got the dedicated Teams button. That'll take me back home. I've got my headset button, speakerphone, and then I've got my volume buttons over here, which you can see moving on the side as well. And I've got my mute button. You've got a nice little light bar at the bottom on there. Then I can go in here and set my status and do any of these features. So these are all standard features that you get on the Teams Phone edition. I've got a hot desk as well. And the other feature which I'll do another overview on is connecting the device. So this is where you want to pair your laptop, so your Teams client, with this. So you can basically find your computer with your Teams account and then use this as your audio device during those meetings. So that's a nice little feature. So you can offload the audio to here, but use your Teams client for the actual content, etc. And obviously you've got your directory, so you can look up people and favourites. That is how nice and simple it is. If you had messages, they'd be displayed here. It's just a really nice device. Can't wait to start using it every day now. What I've done here is now sent it, joined a meeting invite. You can see it's coming up in 2 minutes. I've got this simple one-click join. So again, I can look at my calendar. It's updated again from the home screen. I can do that single-click join. And I'm joining the conference call. I'm muted. I can see that other people are in the room. Now, obviously, this is the non-video version. So this is voice only. I can see that other people are in the call here. I can add people. So I can see the roster list. I can invite more people as well if I want to. So I can simply type someone else in, add them to the meeting. I've got some controls here to start recording. put it on hold, turn on live captions. So I've got all these nice features that, again, rich Microsoft Teams client, raise hand. If I unmute, so I can use the hard key as well, you'll hear me coming out, and you can see we've got live captions here as well. So let me unmute another one, and we'll see the live captions come through here. Okay, so now I should be coming out through the Crestron workflow, which is Flex Room 02. Any comments? Let me know below. Cheers.